Hey, it's Amia Renee, and today I'm going to show you how I make my DIY hair growth treatment. The items you'll need are 2 aloe vera leaves, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and lastly, rosemary oil. I'll leave all the hair benefits of each product down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Here I'm just grabbing another aloe vera leaf from my plant, and I'm going to show you guys how to cut it. Just be a little careful because apparently I think I'm an expert at cutting it. I should not have cut it that way because it took my finger off, but just be careful. Don't do as I did, okay? Look at all this fresh aloe vera gel I got from my 2 aloe vera leaves. I was sent all 3 of the Jamaican mango lime oils in a PR package. Today I'm going to use the hemp oil. So I decided, in addition to my treatment I made, I also wanted to go ahead and grab a couple of extra aloe vera leaves and go ahead and put the gel on my scalp because I love aloe vera gel on my hair. It feels so good, it's so soothing, and I really do believe it helps my hair to grow. So after making a hot mess, scooping my treatment out of the bowl and putting it on my head all across the room, I was like, why didn't I put it inside of an oil bottle? Duh, that makes more sense. So learn from my mistake. Just go ahead on and transfer this treatment into a oil bottle so you could distribute it evenly throughout your hair and it won't be flying all across the room like it did with me. after what seemed like a lifetime under the steamer, look at my hair. It looks so hydrated, moisturized, healthy. I love aloe vera gel. I can't express how much I love it. And I like sitting under the steamer as well. I could tell the difference in my hair. I'm back again after I rinsed the treatment out my hair. My hair looks amazing and it was pillow soft. I decided to style my hair in a slick back ponytail. So if you guys do want to see how I achieve this ponytail, let me know and I will film a tutorial on this. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.